Hi guys, how are you doing? Hey, I hope you're all okay. You see, I say it like that because I know some of you sit and watch these videos, and when I say that, you go, "No, I'm alright, John. Thank you. How are you?" Hey, we've got a good one lined up for you today. Today's shave comes courtesy of Moses Show. Mo sent me this. Thank you very much, Moses. Look at that. That's Klar Seifen shaving soap. That's what it looks like in the tin. Oh, it smells wonderful. We'll talk a little bit more about that. There it is on Amazon. Won't look at the price because it was a gift. Thank you once again, Moses. I'll read you the bump. It says Klar shaving soap lemongrass, which is what this is. Has a fresh lemongrass note. The lemongrass essential oils revitalise and leaves a touch of the exotic on the skin. High quality vegetable oils ensure a close, long lasting shave. Klar's shaving soap lemongrass will impress with its yield of high, strong, swelling effect and mild creamy foam. So it's not, I don't know if the person that wrote this, their first language may not have been English. It just doesn't ream off the creamy foam. That protects and nourishes even sensitive men's skin. Right, packed in a sturdy, screwable aluminium jar. Right, thank you, Moses. Right, now I've got, let's see if we can take it out, look. That's a hefty beast, that, guys, and I think it's triple milled. Now, I used lemongrass soap a while ago, or a soap with lemongrass in it. It didn't smell like this. This smells absolutely beautiful. To me, this smells like a very sweet, subtle lemon scent. I would say, I don't know if you get them where you are, but over here we have, I say US because, like YouTube said, most of my viewers are from the United States. So if you're in the UK, they're called lemon drops. I don't know what they are in your part of the world, but they were little hard boiled sweets, yellow, shaped like lemons with sherbet in the middle. And that's what this smells like. It smells absolutely beautiful. Scent strength, I would put it about a 4, but I've said it with other scents as well. With this, you wouldn't really, with this scent, you wouldn't really want it any stronger than that anyway. That's just right. I'm looking forward to using that. I've shown you the label, haven't I? Okay, the brush, courtesy of Frank Shaving. There you go, thank you. Frank sent me that. 27mm synthetic. We'll get that in the official John Shave Super Soaker. I'm not long in from work, guys. The razor, gifted to me by Mark Davis. This is a proper gifts of friendship shaving, this, isn't it? Sorry, wrong channel. Right, Mark Davis sent me this, look. There's no markings on this razor. I'm assuming it was a Schick Injector razor. And he also sent me Schick Injector blades. Now, I put the blade in, guys. I did it off cam. Never owned one of these razors before. Never put a blade in one of them before. Didn't want to put it in whilst I was recording in case it went pear-shaped. So it's already in there. Looking forward to having a shave with that. The balm. Oh, the balm Dapper Dan. Now, I've seen this about, guys. I think I paid about £10 for this. I know. I got a lot of good stuff that kind of matched this colour and this writing and everything, and I got it all for free, so I thought I'd splash out on the balm. When it came, don't bother. Don't bother. If you think, oh, it's got to be good stuff that for that price, it isn't. This is your basic, generic, high street, pound a tube stuff that they're selling. I saw it, I think I paid about £10 for that, and I was gutted. It does the job, but don't be fooled into thinking it's something that it isn't. I take the hit so that you guys don't have to. You know what I mean? I'm a hero. And the aftershave, have you seen it on the thumbnail? Check out this Paco Rabanne. Because when I very first got this and I put it on, this Phantom, my immediate instinct, my immediate first note that hit me from this was a hint of lemon. So I thought it would go very nice with this lemongrass soap. So without further ado, I've never used this soap before, never. Well, actually, I had heard of them. When it came out and I seen it, Klar, I've heard of Klar soap, I have, but that's it. I recognise the name and only the name. So let's get wet. Let's wet the face. Oh my word. Once again, I'm not longing from work. I've had a cup of tea, a slice of toast, Captain Comb over. Go and get my hair cut tomorrow, guys. Gonna go on. Right, okay, so what we're gonna do. Come on, we'll do this, look. Woo. Have I just cut my lip? There was ever such a little spike. I've no idea what that was. Just maybe a little bit of lemongrass or something. There you go. This is wonderful. Wonderful scented stuff, guys. Absolutely wonderful. How much? What do you reckon? Shall we do? No idea what to expect. It smells fantastic. It feels fantastic. I like doing it that way because the puck's still bone dry now, you see. I'll wipe that after, put it back in the tin, all ready for the next time. Oh, so how are you all doing? Here we go. Are you ready? You'll see it as I see it. Well, you can't argue with that, can you? Absolute. Look at this, guys. Camera doesn't lie, does it? The scent strength. For me, when lathered, it's dropped to about a 3. We get the tips, get a bit more water, and see where we go. Let's have a play around with it. Yeah, well, this lather feels very slick. Look at this, guys. I could go on and on and on. But I'm not one of these that likes to just keep going and going and going with a lather. Let's see where we're at. Oh yeah, that's slick. Wow, that is. Oh, let me get that. Yeah, this is a slick salt, this, guys. A slick salt. Moses said to me, John, I was just stood at the side of this burning bush, and this voice said to me, Moses, no, sorry, wrong Moses. Wrong Moses. Do you know what? I'm sorry, Moses. I bet he's had that his whole life. I'm so sorry. Here we go. Right, well, I don't need to touch. I can tell you right now, this may need some dialing in. That feels very mild. Actually, John, you might have just got that wrong. That's done all right. It felt really mild. Do you know what? That's all right. That's strange. It doesn't feel like it's taking anything off. But yet, it very, very clearly is. So, anyway, at this time of the shave, I normally say, don't let me know what your shave is. And if you've used this Klar, please let me know. Did I just cut myself then? You see, that's the problem I have with mild razors. I press. But, now there on the top lip area, this is alright, you know, guys. This is, I have a feeling this would be one of those razors with daily use and a little bit of practice. This would be alright. First off, is it a schick injector? Or is it another one? I've got no idea. I hope it's a schick. I wanted a schick razor. I've got the schick blades. There you go. So yeah, haircut tomorrow. I've not had my haircut since before I went away. See this, guys? My wife says there's nothing wrong with it. I This is way too long for me. I know some people may look at it when it's cut and think, John, that's way too short for you. But no, I do not like this at all. You guys with your bald heads, I'm jealous. I'm jealous. My brother-in-law's bald and he was very self-conscious about it. And I was like, nah, don't you worry about it, mate, honestly. The thoughts of having no hair on your head. Woo-woo! It'd be okay by me. But I could never live if I had no hair on my chin. You imagine never being able to shave again. That would be like stuck in some kind of nightmare, wouldn't it? I'm liking this razor, guys. I'm liking this. I am. I'm liking this razor a lot. This is good. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Moses. Frank. Moses, Mark and Frank. Sounds like a firm of accountants, doesn't it? Oh my word. So sorry, guys. These are just all the little things that swirl around in my head. Welcome to Moses, Mark and Frank Accountancy. My mum used to say to me, John, you've got a head full of bubbles. And every now and again, one of them will burst. Here we go. Yeah, you've got to get it dialed in. This is okay, you know, guys. Once again, a good shave. Mark said to me, these razors are mild, John. They are. I've got to be honest, the past few I've used have been very efficient. That's a problem. I get loads of comments saying it wouldn't bother us if you use the same stuff over and over again. But do you know what? It does at YouTube analytics. I can't, if I use the same razor, or the same soap, or the same brush, too often the comments and the likes and the views all take a nosedive. And I said that in a video a while back and somebody said, so is that why you're making videos then? For likes and views? Yeah. You know, you put out the content that you'll like, but let's be honest, all gist of YouTube is that other people will like it as well. Oh my word. Look at this. There you go. Oh. Do you know what? That did okay, guys. Yeah, I stand by my initial assessment. We'll do lather mittens. I stand by my initial assessment that, yeah, you'd have to play with it for a while and get it dialed in. But I think once you got this dialed in, once you had the measure of this, yeah, once you had the measure of this, you'd be on a cracking little razor here. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. So rinse in cold water. Somebody said to me, do you never put alum on? Well, if you watch my early shaves, I had an alum block, Osma alum block. I used to call him Donny Osma. Do you remember? Little Donny Osma. Now, the thing is, guys, there's something in my DNA that doesn't like alum. And it was quite literally like putting sulfuric acid on my skin. Oh, it was horrible. And then when I finished and I'd swill my face in cold water, I'd be going for ages and it just wouldn't go away. It was horrible, so I stopped using the alum. Look at this. Look at that, guys. Hey, we did okay, didn't we? We did okay. Here we go. Woo! I'm not putting too much of that on at that price because I've got to go in the shower yet. There you go. Yeah, go on, let's see what we can make. Oh, try to make a bagel for you guys. No, is it a bagel? Are they called pretzel? There you go. Little pretzel, little Johnny pretzel. And that, yeah, there is lemon in that Phantom. I can smell it now. And that is our Moses Shaw, Mark Davis, Frank Seifen, Klar Seifen, Lemongrass shave, guys, and we did okay, didn't we? We did okay. Okay, that's me done. Gonna go and get a glass of water. Look forward to my haircut. That's what I'm reduced to, guys. There was a time, you know, I was cutting edge, mate. I was cutting edge. Now, you know what I look forward to now? Getting my haircut on payday. Shish. Right, look after yourselves and look after each other, and I will see you on the Saturday shave. And let's see what we can pull out, eh? Take it easy, guys. Bye.